The English Talks enthusiastically welcomes you in today's session, and today I have taken a topic from our English grammar. Have a look on the topic. Today our topic is the articles, and this is the fourth part of the series and the second part of the article the. If we have mentioned something already, that thing is specific now. There is only one. So we will use the. For example, I went to a sushi restaurant in New York. The restaurant is next to the bookstore in front of Central Station. Let's see why we use the with restaurant and with bookstore. The restaurant becomes specific after we talk about it. At first we say a restaurant, but the second time we mention it, we use the. Now it means only one specific restaurant. The restaurant we just mentioned. We can also see in this sentence that we use the for bookstore because it is also specific. It's the only one in front of Central Station. That's why this restaurant is specific. I hope this video help you to understand where we use the article, because this is sometime create problem to the students. So the thing is that the specific thing, if that thing is specific, important, special, or the thing which we have already mentioned or talked about, then that is known to us. Then we use the with all these situations. Thank you. Have a great day.